The way MAINGEAR has always really differentiated ourselves is we have a passion for craftsmanship and performance. So that comes down to the way we build the PCs, but then also the parts we select. One of the challenges that we faced is when the new PCIe 4 NVMe drives launched. It was a brand new technology. It's something that we hadn't seen before. And so we need to make sure that it's going to integrate well into all the components that we offer. We'll run a series of internal synthetic benchmarks that are going to test things like sequential reads, random reads and writes, and then we're going to compare that to everything that's on the market, but then we're also going to do long-term reliability testing as well to make sure that it's going to last in the lifetime that the customer has their system. The difference with Samsung is that they do all their controllers in-house, and so you know that you're getting an end-to-end solution, which is a huge advantage compared to people that are using third-party controllers and third-party firmware and don't have control of the entire stack.
At the end of the day, the customer end user benefits from the SSD pure speed and sustainability, because SSD is just that solid state drive. No moving parts, it lasts a long, long time. SATA is fast, but NVMe is light years faster than SATA. The Samsung SSD products that MAINGEAR primarily is using now is our flagship 980 Pro Gen 4 NVMe, both 500 gigabyte and the 1 terabyte. It reaches up to speeds of 7,000 megabytes a second. It rivals anything out there, and we're super proud that MAINGEAR is utilizing it with us.
One of the competitive advantages that we have as a business is being time to market with the latest technologies. Our relationship with Samsung has always been fantastic. We're able to test products before they come out, make sure that we have the time to validate it, but also get the continued long-term support throughout the product lifecycle to make sure that we're, offering the best thing that we can.
These NVMe models in general, they're a very simplistic installation. It's click, down, screw. So it's not as intimidating as some would think. The 980 Pro Gen 4 NVMe is for a lot of different applications and verticals out there. One of the first and foremost people think is gaming because of the cutting edge speed, but there's many other use case applications. Pro AV, film creation, architectural, 3D rendering, anything that really requires cutting edge speed can take advantage of this 980 Pro.
MAINGEAR wants to keep innovating, keep releasing products that push the boundaries of what gaming performance can be. It's very important for us to pick partners that share our approach to technology, share the ideals we have, share the quality passion that we have as a business, and Samsung is the perfect partner for that.